So I'm going to quickly walk you through how to use Gmail. If you already know how to use your email, that's fine. You don't have to watch this video. But if you have any questions about email or sorting emails or finding different things, then you're going to want to watch this. So at the very top right is where you're going to see what you're logged in as. So if you're not logged in as you're going to want to click on that so you can actually log into your account. If you click on it, then it drops down. You can see I have options about which one I would like to be on. So right now I'm on Student Council. If I wanted to go on my email, then I would click on that and it would either have me log back in if I had been logged out, or it would just switch me over to that inbox. If you click these little dots, it's going to bring you to other Google Suite sites. So here you can see that I click on it and you have Gmail, Google Drive, Google Classroom, Docs, Sheets, Slides, Calendar, Chat, Meet. So here you can see how many emails you have in your inbox. So this means that it's unread. So I have one unread email. So if you click this star, it will put them all in the star folder, which this can be great if you're just bookmarking things that are important to you, or you just want to be able to get back to it quickly, but it doesn't belong in one of the folders that we'll talk about later. So once I start it, then I can click on Start, and I'll see it there. If I click on this button here, it's going to bring up my Google Calendar, which is really helpful when you have it connected to your Google Classroom, which you do, and it will show your assignments and things in Google Calendar form. See, if I go to September 2nd, I have an assignment called College Essay. So anything that you have due on that particular day will show up here. Here, you can click on this little light bulb to take notes. It will bring you here. If you have any notes, they'll show up. And if you want to have a new note, then you will click the little plus and take a new note. This way, any kind of notes you take for any of your classes can all be found right here. If you click on this little button, it will bring you to your to-do list. You can click on Get Started if you have never used it before, and then click the little plus sign to add a note or add a task. And then it will show up in a list with a little bubble next to it, so that you can click those as you get them done, and they will move down to the completed with a check mark and a line through it. Anything that you've sent to someone else can be found here by clicking on Sent. If it does not show up here, you haven't actually sent it, and it's probably in your drafts. So this is an important button for those of you that feel that your email is overwhelming and you can't find things. So you're going to click on the plus sign to create a new label. This box will pop up. You'll type in whatever it is, so English class, science class, and then you will hit create. You should probably have a folder for each of your classes so that you can easily find these emails when you need to. So I created it, and now it shows up here on the left. It says English class. However many folders I have, they'll all show up over here. So when I want to add something to this, I'm going to click the check mark next to the email in my inbox, and then I'm going to click on the little folder with an arrow. Then I just click on the folder that I want it to be moved to. Now it shows up in the English class folder, so I can easily find it. Now if I want to send an email, I'm going to click the big plus sign at the top where it says compose, and then this little box will pop up. In this box, you're going to type in who you want to send the email to in the top, and then you're going to write in the subject line what the email is about. This will help your teacher know what it is, and it will also help you when you're looking back through. Once you X out of it, if you don't actually send it, it will pop up over here in drafts, and that's where you can find it if you need to resume your email later on. So that is how to use your Gmail. If you have any questions, you can return to this video or email me.